My whole goal as a periodontist is to save teeth, but not all the time can it be done. And so there are many options to replace all of your teeth, especially with dental implants. Some of the other options that you may have heard of are traditional dentures. They cover the palate, they're bulky, they literally sit on your bedstand when you go to bed at night. The other option would be placing a couple implants that actually have a denture that snaps into place. Sometimes those are great. They do wiggle around a little bit and they do sit on the palate, but they also are removable. And so not a lot of patients like that. The other option would be doing what we call an all-on-4 teeth express, teeth in a day, to where we place implants and then fixed teeth are retrofitted to those implants, and you literally go home with something that's fixated in your mouth that does not come in and out. If you feel that you're a candidate for replacing all your teeth with dental implants, there's a couple things that you gotta know. One is that, do we have enough bone in order to even have those implants placed? Two, what are the costs that are involved with that? And three, what are the long-term solutions for you that are gonna meet your needs? Some of the great advantages of placing implants and having teeth that are actually fixated on those implants are, one, they don't come in and out. They're great. They're not bulky like a normal denture, or even a denture that snaps into implants that sits on the roof of your mouth, or bulky on the bottom half of your jaw. That these are actually fixated on the implants. They're minimal, they function like natural teeth, they aesthetically look great. And one is that your speech isn't altered, the aesthetics are met, function is there, it's terrific. We have patients that come in that literally have been told that they have zero options with replacing their teeth. That they have to have dentures, something that comes in and out. With this type of treatment, we give patients the ability to not only chew again, but they get a smile again, which is terrific. One of the great parts of being a periodontist that I absolutely love is that I get to see the before and afters on what patients go through. So from the day that they come into my office, being very frustrated, not having many options, being told that they can't have teeth, that literally takes them from having zero hope to having a brand new smile. The ability to see that and to see the emotion that goes over patients' faces literally the day of the surgery, it gives me so much satisfaction in order to change people's lives. And literally that's what we're doing. We're changing people's lives for the better. They look great, they eat better, they're happier, which makes me happy.